Hey there, got some super ripe bananas and thinking of throwing them out? Hold on, I have got a recipe just for you. I'm going to show you how to turn them into this ultimate chocolatey moist banana bread. So let's get started. First, peel the bananas and place them in a bowl, then mash them completely or just enough like I'm doing in the video to keep some tasty chunks for extra texture. In a bowl of all-purpose flour, add some cinnamon powder, then put some baking powder and baking soda. Next, add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, then put some salt. Then the next step is to whisk them until all the ingredients are well combined. Keep the bowl aside and put some room temperature butter into another bowl. Beat the butter until it turns into pale white color. Then add 2 room temperature eggs. For some taste and aroma, add some vanilla essence. Then add the mashed bananas and whisk them. Next, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and gently fold them in using a spatula. Fold just until you can no longer see any dry ingredients. Then add some crushed Semisweet chocolates. Keep some semi-sweet chocolate aside as you're going to need to put them at the top of this banana batter. Next, place a baking paper in 9 to 4-inch loaf pan, then add the banana bread batter into it. And then add the leftover semi-sweet chocolates at the top of the batter. Finally, bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius temperature for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. If you enjoyed my video till here, come and join us on this journey by liking and subscribing to my channel Star Food for more tasty adventure. So once it's baked, let it cool down. Voila! So here you go, your ultimate chocolatey banana bread is ready. Enjoy this tasty treat made from those overripe bananas, perfect for sharing and just enjoying yourself. So bye for today. I hope to see you on my next video.